All right, welcome back. In this lesson, we're learning the sort functionality, which, as you can imagine by its name, is used to sort our table according to different fields. I'm starting this lesson with the same filter I had at the end of the last lesson, which is I don't pay exorbitant salaries, so we're removing anyone who has an expected salary over 150,000, and we've grouped our table according to each record's status. So now we're going to sort our salaries from lowest to highest. Quick note here that you can use the filter and group by field directly by clicking on the field type, and it'll automatically assume that you want to filter or group by the column you selected. So let's sort lowest to highest, and it says, I want to see my records sorted by expected salary from, and this 1 to 9 means lowest to highest. So when I apply that, it sorts expected salaries within each one of my groups, lowest to highest. If I remove the group I have by status, you'll notice that my records remain sorted by expected salary, and the same will happen if I remove my filter. So the sort functionality really orders all of the records within your table, regardless of what filter or group by that you have on. All right. So that was the simple functionality I wanted to show you for sorting your table by different fields. I do encourage you to play around with the filter, group, and sort functionality by copying this base into your Airtable or starting from any template that Airtable provides, and have fun with it and learn this functionality because it is crucial to managing your data in Airtable.